Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I forgot to do an intro, so this is what you guys are going to get. Today is wash day. We are going to wash my hair. If my hair looks literally so thin, it's because I am missing half a head due to heat damage and sun damage and all that stuff. So take care of your hair, ladies, because you're going to end up like this and have to grow out your hair and do all that process all over again. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb out my hair. I'm combing it from the ends because, okay, my hair definitely stinks. Because I do not like washing my hair. Fun fact, I do not like washing my hair. I wash my hair like once or twice a month. That is it. But as you guys can see, I'm combing it from the ends because I do not want to tangle my hair. I do not want to be pulling on my hair, tugging on my hair. I don't want to do any of that. The back of my head, as you guys can see, I have an undercut. No, it is not like I don't got hair. It's literally an undercut that is failing to grow back. So this is what I got from combing up my hair. It's just a little bit of hair. Throw it away. So now I'm going to go into the shower. This is what I do. I do not, on a regular day, I do not wash my hair in the shower. I'm sorry. That makes me cringe so bad. I have to wash my hair in the sink or in the tub and then I bathe after. Literally, I have to blow dry my hair and then get into the shower because washing my hair in the shower with all the soap and all that stuff just makes me feel so disgusting, honestly. So once I get in the shower, I literally just let the hair I literally just let the water run through my hair and then I use my shampoo. I don't know the name of the shampoo. I'm gonna put it in the description box and I'm also gonna insert a picture so that you guys can see what kind of shampoo I'm using. I don't use nothing special. My shampoo is literally like $8. What I'm doing now is I am washing my hair, literally massaging my scalp. Like I massage my scalp so bad because, as I said, I do not like washing my hair. So when it's time to wash my hair is obviously dirty. Massaging my scalp is very, very, very important in my case because that's where all the dirt is built up. Wash your hair, scrub your hair. Literally do this 2-3 times. I do it at least 3 times because obviously my hair is extremely dirty. Scrub your hair, massage your scalp, massage your edges to keep your edges intact. I think massaging my edges is like the best thing possible. Keeping my edges, massaging them feels amazing. So after I finish all that, I literally wash the soap out, make sure all the soap is gone. Like next I'm going to go into my conditioner. This conditioner, I don't know the name either. It's from the same brand. And this one has biotin in it. This is the conditioner I use. And then I use this conditioner as well. This is like AUSSIE, I think. But I'm going to put a picture of both of them so you guys can see. When I condition my hair, I literally start from the ends. And then I work my way up to the roots. As you guys can see, I don't really massage it into my scalp. I more so just put it onto my hair and rub it in, but I don't rub it into my scalp. I don't know why I don't do it. I just don't do it. Next, I take a wide tooth comb again. I part my hair in two, and now I'm literally just gonna comb it out so that I can get all the knots out before I wash my hair out and blow dry and all that stuff. I hate knots. I hate doing my hair. Like I hate this whole process. So I try to make it as easy as possible. Combing your hair from your ends is the key to success. Do not start from the top. Like as you guys can see, sometimes I just get annoyed and I just start from the roots. Don't do that because as you guys can see, I get stuck because my hair is tangled. Comb your hair from the ends, make your way up to the roots. That is the most important thing I'm going to tell you guys. Combing your hair from the ends because you can break your hair literally, and your hair is the most fragile when it's wet. So comb your hair from the ends. That's all I'm going to say. This is a length check. I love to see how long my hair is getting because, bitch, my hair be getting long. under these motherfucking wigs. So after that, I just wash my hair, wash all that conditioner out. I don't know why people leave conditioner in their hair because I cannot blow dry my hair with conditioner in. Wash all that out. My hair needs to be literally oil free, dry, conditioner free, all that. As you guys can see, I'm opening my hair. I'm opening my hair so you guys can see my scalp because that's where I need to get all the conditioner. I literally just wash out everything. Make sure my hair is washed completely. Y'all just wait until my hair grows back to its full potential, okay? No more damaged hair. Sis, we wearing wigs all 2019, all 2020, all 2021 until this hair is motherfucking grown back. As you guys can see, I just finished washing my hair and it is in this weird looking, I don't even know what to say. I'll never wear my hair like this in public because ugh. Next I get a cotton t-shirt and wrap my hair. Do not use a towel. Get a cotton t-shirt and tie your hair and you're done. Thank you.